Hello everyone, good evening. This is Mama Martin from Mama Martin's Kitchen. Well, I've just celebrated my 71st birthday on December 2nd, and I'm thankful to God that I've seen another birthday, and I'm looking forward to the year ahead and all the good things that will be happening. Tonight I'm just doing light dinner because it's the holiday season and we just had a big Thanksgiving and we're approaching Christmas, and I'm just doing nachos. Basically I'm using leftover steak and leftover chicken, and I have the nachos over there. I haven't made everything yet, and I use sharp cheddar cheese, finely shredded, and this is the salsa. You can use mild, you can use medium, you can use hot. I'm using medium. Sour cream, and this is the queso. And I'm about to heat up the steak and the chicken, so I'm just cutting it up in smaller pieces than I had in the refrigerator. And then when I'm done with doing that and get it in the refrigerator, then I'm going to do the lettuce and the cucumbers. I will do the lettuce and the tomatoes, and then I have to get all the black beans, and I'll do the black beans and then put it all together and leave it, on dishes. Everyone would help themselves, and you would be able to see what the finished product look like, what I have there to serve. Okay, now I'm about to, the chicken and the meat's finished. I'm about to cut up the lettuce and the tomatoes. Now the beans, there will not be any beans tonight because I thought I had beans, but I don't have any. I have beans, but not the right thing. Go to the pantry and there is none, so I have to add that to my next shopping list for this month. So we'll eat it without beans, but you guys can add if you want to, which it should have it. It's black beans, and if you don't have black beans and you have corn in the can, you can use that, or you can use both if you would like. But I don't have black beans. I only have kidney beans and black eye. So we will eat this tonight without the beans. And that's the lettuce. Okay, now I'm cutting up the tomatoes. You just dice the tomatoes, whatever size you want it to be. And then when this is done, you'll make your... I'll show you how I make mine. My children make it different because they put much more on it than I do. And the later I eat, the less things I put on my stuff. So I'm setting up my plate now, and I can't do too many nachos because it's after 6 p.m. and I'm not supposed to be eating heavy food after a certain time because I am diabetic. So I have to follow the rules if I want to wake up in the morning with good numbers. Now I put my base there in a few pieces, and then I'm going to put my cheese on top of that, and this is sharp, finely shredded cheddar cheese. I like plain cheese. And I'm going to melt my cheese for, I don't know, maybe 20 seconds. Okay, now I have my melted cheese. I'm going to put a little bit of the chicken on it, not too much. And this is the meat. Adding a little bit more salsa on mine. Can't go too heavy on it. And then I'm not going to melt this. No, a little bit more cheese. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks again. See you soon.